Alright. Holy shit. Damn. Alright. Let's see what we got. Hi guys.
You think God created a world like that?
Dude, that shit is so wild. So I got something to show. Give me a second. Damn. So I watch my own dude. I find it funny that the last 2 days have not been as hard edited because of the shit I talked about, because blah 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 I plugged someone. And like if I talk about wild political shit or government secrets, it's just like you can see my mouth moving a little bit, but you don't see the words or hear them. Alright, so check this out. We're gonna do some wild shit. Dude, this is a guy playing parkour in like he's not parkouring, but he is run jump climbing and doing stealth shit to kill people. It is great. And this is airsoft, by the way. Oh, let me switch up the sound. That's not it, is it? Oh, that's right. Sounds off. Why is Chrome not working?
Can be extremely challenging. Maniac, you did quite good job, and I hope we will be able to play together in the future again. If you are not familiar with Maniac YouTube channel, now is the time to check it out and give him a sub. Without further ado, let's jump straight into action, because there are a lot of fine kills in this gameplay for you to discover. I hope you guys do enjoy the video.
Alright. You hear the Cyrillic? Dude, I don't understand enough Cyrillic, but I know when people are rapping about murder and death. Dude, this guy is legitimately so good as I'm gonna get to you. That's all I see from him is I'll get to you. Also, he threads the needle so many times, it's great. It really is. I'm gonna watch this and then it's strictly whatever it is, fucking Cyberpunk to finish up, do some shit. I'm not gonna finish up. I'm like, it's a new die. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, it's Rocket League, fuck off. Yeah, I feel like the whole video got smaller and broken into chunks. Like, it was just a whole bunch of small chunks of each kill, and I was like, whatever. Dude, his ability to go lefty is so wild. Like, he goes lefty. Like, this guy is doing left and right at the same time, and it's so wild. Look at this, though. But watch what happens. Like, he takes this guy, that guy's done. But watch what happens, and he gets hit by a teammate for just being there because the guy was there before and he didn't explain to him he took the guy. That's the most legit friendly fire I've ever seen. Like, at least in a situation.
Drugi przebieg. Hej, dostałeś?
Crossing like this is horrible. It's so scary. The bricks are there in case you want to make some noise, so they'll be notified that you tried.
Ładnie.
Dude, they said this was in Poland. I was like, so Poland still speaks English?
Jędrek, no. Na prawo jest. Jest na prawo. Będą okna, będą okna.
The guy expects him, like, to jump through the windows and shit. Like, this guy has been posted up so long. Look where he gets caught, though. This is great. So, this is the play in a real way. And he shot him, like, dude, he didn't have to shoot him, but like, if somebody was there to watch with him, he might have survived that. Done. Just, oh, you're here, yes! Yes, I am! This guy, like, this is what you need gloves for when you're out in the field or wherever it is you're doing or whatever you're doing. Because, like, you're gonna cut your hands up on this shit. Like, they're airsoft guns, so they don't make a lot of noise, so you can do a lot of, like, quiet. Oh! Think about that whip. Threads the needle.
Góra czysta!
Look at this guy. Oh! Dude,
Nie musiał strzelać.
Dude, you see that? That's funny, but not funny. He's like, bro. Alright.
Mogłeś poczekać.
You could wait a bit longer and save yourself from being shot. If you had ignored me, if you had not noticed me that much longer, you would have just gotten the gun to the head and been told you were dead instead of actually having to be shot and plausibly die. Because, dude, the way he shot him through the side, the guy's gonna die no matter what. But, like, it's not gonna be a nice death. If he's lucky, it pierced his lungs and his heart, and he's just gonna die in seconds.
Nie musiał strzelać.
But that's the body dying in comparison to the brain, because the brain takes it a little bit.
No, nasi byli u góry. Lewe okno pod mostem. Tak, lewo dół, tam się wychyla. Nie ma problemu.
This is a good play.
Tylko samaga zmieni.
Can you shoot for distraction or suppression?
Masełka.
That's him shooting. This is the hard cross again, plus it's watched. Dude, the way this guy goes left and right does like... Oh! Oh!
Sorry?
The apology for the headshot. Such gamesmanship, such good sportsmanship. Americans be like, yeah, I know you. Take that shit in the face. Oh, you hear it? Oh, they're look at that. Look at him try.
Specjalnie nie chciałem się na plecy, no.
Oh, man.
Już nie ma nikogo.
He led the shot. Airsoft pellets are slow.
Thanks for watching, I hope you do enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and leave a comment down below.
Alright, I should have liked that guy's shit. I did not. I'm an asshole. Alright.
Lottery running out to a solid and sturdy 30. 10 out of Haywood. Thanks to unabated gang wars. One officer down, so I guess you're all screwed. Cause the NCPD will not let that go. Got another blackout in Santo Domingo. Net runners are at it again, poking holes in the power grid. While over in Westbrook, trauma teens scraping cycle victims off the pavement. And in Pacifica, well, Pacifica is still Pacifica. This has been your man, Stan. Join me for another day in our city of dreams.
What the fuck happened here? There's no internet now? Son of a bitch. Yeah. Somebody cut off my internet in a real way. Piece of shit. Alright.